Good evening. It is Sunday, March 1st. It was a sunny day today, and the turbines did make power. I am running the generator, but only to do a manual equalize. I took all my caps off, and I stripped all my old wiring before I had, series parallel, but I had my parallels piggybacked. So it was, corner to corner with the inverter wire and the charge wire, and straight across the positive and negative terminals was my parallel. And what happens there is you're drawing from your outer pairs the most, your inner pairs a little bit more or a little less, and the very middle the least. So the load balancing is out of sync, and it'll wear out these batteries faster than it will the middle. And I bought these all together. They're all from the same lot, so I want them to all last as long as possible. So what we did here is we made 10 new cables, one, or two from each pair. They're all exactly 36-inch 2 gauge stranded copper, copper crimped and insulated all the way across. And then that all meets at the new bus bars we built here. And it's not beautiful, but sometimes the best way to do things isn't the prettiest way to do things. So that ensures that all of the energy going in and out of the batteries is completely 100% divided evenly to all 10 batteries, all 5 pairs of 24. And then our inverter and our charge wires are all paired on the same bus bar. So the solar and the wind all meets here, and that comes over to here, and then these two go straight to the inverter. And these are still on the double-aught cable, but I didn't need to go that heavy with these because it's only pulling from each pair now. So with my 3,000 watt inverter, I'll never get more than 40 amps out of each pair of batteries. It'll all be divided evenly. So I was able to save a little bit of money on the copper. It's rated for 90 amps. I'll never get more than 40 amps through it. So I went double heavy for what I realistically need, just to keep everything cool and keep everything safe. My connections won't be heating up. It'll all be nice and even, and excuse me. So since I rewired this all, I wanted to equalize it and boil it off real good. So yeah, they're just bubbling away. Let them do that for another half an hour. See, I got the generator running. Focus. A little less than 600 watts going into the bank. We're at almost 31 volts. So we'll let her hang out there for a little bit, and we'll wind it down and let the batteries settle, and we should be good to go. I might have to put a little bit more water in. We'll see when it's all done. But anyhow, there's that. Just wanted to show off the new wire job. Have a good night. Thanks for watching. Take care.